Hello students, today we are going to do question number 2 of exercise 7.1, chapter number 7, cube and cube roots, class 8 math. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. So this all are not perfect cubes. ये सब perfect cube नहीं है. So we have to multiply by some numbers so that it becomes a perfect cube. So let's start. So whenever multiply and divide comes, we have to take the prime factors. As we have seen in square and square root, the same we have to follow here. So let's start the solution number first one, 243. So let's take the prime factors of 243. This is not a perfect cube. This is and this. This all are not perfect cube. ये कोई भी perfect cube नहीं है. हमें इनमें कुछ multiply करना पड़ेगा तो ये becomes a perfect cube. So taking prime factors, 3 8s are 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 7s are, then 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So what are prime factors? 243 can be written as 3 into 3. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 times. So one of the triplet, it is called triplet. Triplet means 3, 1 2 3, and pair means 2. सो एंड स्क्वायर होता है तो हम पेयर लेते हैं और क्यूब है तो हमें ट्रिपलेट लेना है. तो 1 2 3 इट इज कमिंग इन द ग्रुप ऑफ 3, बट 1 here how many threes are there? 1 and 2. So we need one more 3. We need one more 3 so that its triplet will also gets completed. So we'll write here the triplet of 3 is incomplete. 1 3 3 is incomplete. Right? Incomplete. Therefore, smallest number by which 243 must be multiplied so see 1 2, so 1 is required, is must be multiplied is 3. सपोज करो ओनली एक 3 होता, यार ये तो पेयर कंप्लीट, ये तो ट्रिपलेट कंप्लीट है, इसको छोड़ दो. सपोज करो सिर्फ 1 3 होता तो हमें 2 3s की जरूरत पड़ती, मीन्स 3 3 9 की जरूरत पड़ती. मगर यहाँ पे अभी कितना है, 2 कितने 3s हैं? 1 and 2, 2 3s are there. So we need only 1 3. So which must be multiplied so that it becomes a perfect cube is 3. And if we need to find a perfect cube, और अगर हमें बोला होता है कि परफेक्ट क्यूब ही निकालो, सो वी कैन फाइंड आउट इजीली परफेक्ट क्यूब आल्सो. तो परफेक्ट क्यूब क्या हो जाएगा? इट इज नॉट गिवन अस टू फाइंड आउट, बट वी आर स्टिल फाइंडिंग. हम निकाल रहे हैं. परफेक्ट क्यूब इज 243 into 3. सो मल्टीप्लाई. सो व्हाट रिजल्ट विल गेट? 3 3 9, 729 is the perfect cube. Now we'll do the second part. What is the second part? 256. So let's do 256 also. So again we'll take the prime factors लेने पड़ेंगे हमेशा की तरह. Let's find out. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are, then again by 2 2 6s are 2 4s, right? Then 2 32, then comes 2 16, then comes 2 8, then 2 4, and 2 2, and 2 1. So we'll write 256 can be written as how many times 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So now make triplets. So here one triplet is complete, here one more triplet is incomplete, complete. Now what left? क्या बच गया? 2 2s are there. So this pair of triplet is incomplete. So we'll write here the triplet of 2 is incomplete. Therefore, smallest number by which 256 256 must be multiplied is कितना है वो 2. ओनली 2 1 2 इज रिक्वायर्ड. तो परफेक्ट क्यूब क्या हो जाएगा एंड वी नीड टू फाइंड परफेक्ट क्यूब आल्सो. अगर निकालना होता है तो परफेक्ट क्यूब क्या हो जाता है. देयरफॉर परफेक्ट क्यूब हो जाएगा तो 256 into 2. 256 into 2 how much? 512. Now we'll do the third one. Taking again factors of 72, 236, 218, 29 and 33 and 31. So what are the factors we are getting? 72, 2, 2, 2 and 3, 3. So again, if you observe, ये 2 का एक triplet complete है and here the triplet of 3 is incomplete. So we'll write here the triplet of group of 3, whatever you can write. Here the triplet of 3 is incomplete. Therefore, smallest number by which 72 is multiplied is 3, because we need 1 3 is there, 1 3 means 2 3s are there, only 1 3 is required. Therefore what will be the perfect cube? Let's write perfect cube also. Therefore perfect cube क्या हो जाएगा? Multiply by 3. 72 3s are 2 1 6 आ गया perfect cube. It is a cube of 6. Now we'll do the remaining 2. So now let's take factors of fourth one. 675 factors ले लेते हैं इसके. Then divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are. Then 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are. Then 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are, and then 5 5s are. And 5 1s are. So what are factors? 675 can be written as 3 3 3 and 5 5. So now see the here triplet of this 3 is complete and we need one more 5. हमें एक और 5 की जरूरत है. Here the triplet, I will write. Here the triplet of 5 is incomplete. Therefore, the smallest number by which 675 is multiplied. 675 is multiplied is 5. तो परफेक्ट क्यूब क्या होगा वो भी लिख देते हैं. Therefore परफेक्ट क्यूब हो जाएगा 675 into 5 multiply 3375. Now we'll do the last one, fifth one. Let's do fifth one also. So 100, taking again prime factors. 2 5s are 10 0, 2 25, 5 5 and 5 1. Now this is unique one. Why? Because here both the and none of the triplet is incomplete. यहाँ पे कोई भी जो triplets वो complete नहीं है. So this is important one, because there are 2 2s only and 2 5s only. We need 1 2 here to complete the triplet of 2 and we need one more 5 to complete the triplet of 5. तो हमें यहाँ पे एक 2 चाहिए और यहाँ एक 5 चाहिए. Therefore हमें चाहिए 2 into 5 10 चाहिए. So we'll write here the triplet of 2 and 5 both are incomplete. Therefore smallest number by which 100 is multiplied is, किसका मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? 2 into 5. 1 2 चाहिए 5 चाहिए तो 10 का मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So what will be the perfect cube? Perfect cube क्या हो जाएगा? The perfect cube हो जाएगा 100 into 10 means 1000 is the perfect cube. It is the cube of 10. So I hope you understood the question. This question number 2. So thank you so much for watching the video.